Hello. I had a problem recently, which is that my laptop, which I love very much, is getting on the older side. And I edit a lot of videos on it. With that, I have a lot of videos that I have to store, and there's just a whole bunch. And it is not happy with that, and it has decided that it likes to crash all the time now. And yes, my laptop has feelings and is personally choosing to annoy me by crashing all the time. It started to become more of an issue this year, aka I can barely edit in 4K on it. It does not like it. Recently, I had some friends who really wanted to play content warning. There's this issue though that after playing for a while, my laptop will start overheating and it will crash, and then I will leave the game. And then you can't get back into the game until the 3 nights have passed, so it was a whole issue and it's causing so many problems, and I was like, you know what? Maybe I should get a PC. At first, I thought maybe I should just get like a pre-built PC because I don't know, I've never researched anything about PCs. I have no idea how they work. I was like, that's a lot of energy. I don't know how to do that. That's scary. I'll just get a pre-built one. But then I started looking into it, and to get the specs I wanted, it was going to be expensive. So I decided, you know what, maybe I should suck it up and learn how to build a PC. For the next few days, I religiously watched YouTube videos about building a PC, which parts are best for video editing PCs, which parts are best for this kind of PC. All these kind of videos, trying to get the best of the best, or also just kind of the cheapest of the best. So I did a lot of research and it was kind of terrifying, but it was like, you know what, I'll figure out how to build it when it gets here. That's a later problem. Right now, let's just buy the thing. I will now show you the footage I filmed while trying to build this. It's a little bit chaotic because I had no clue what I was doing and was just trying to figure it out as I went. But yeah, it was really fun. And it's been almost a month now with it, and it works perfectly fine. Hasn't exploded on me yet. I'm still terrified it's gonna explode at any minute. Every time I power it up, I'm like, please don't blow up, please don't blow up. But we're still doing good, so yeah. Honestly, it was kind of fun, and I'm really glad that I did it. It works so well. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so... Editing on it is like a dream. It is so smooth. I haven't had any issues with glitching or crashing, and I'm like, why didn't I do this sooner? Well, it came in yesterday. So, I have a YouTube video up that I'm going to follow to do this. There it is. He's up on the desk. But should I peel it? I'm gonna wait till the end. I'm scared. Not gonna be a big deal. Yeah, sure. Totally believe you that this is gonna be not a big deal and super easy. I'm stressed. Okay, so change of plans. It seems to be that a lot of these things need to hook up to other things in the case, and I don't actually know what level of thing I need right now, how many pins. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. So what we're gonna do, first up, we're gonna move a lot of this stuff off my desk, because there's stuff everywhere. Look how smexy this motherboard is. To place, to sleep in a little bed. Oh, because I'm looking A2, B2. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I got it. Okay, I need my memory. We got her. Vengeance. So it does matter which way it goes in, but it tells you. Oh, SSD, I found it. It does have screws protecting it. Okay, I need my screwdriver. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so mad if this doesn't fit. No, oh my god, it doesn't. Yes, I am using scissors. Okay. I'm terrified. This part. Terrified of every part. This part has a lot of screws and a lot of thingamajigs. Okay, that was scaring me. I wasn't sure if that was gonna fit, but it's on. I'm like Vincent Van Gogh. Beautiful. Graphics card is the only thing I had to get in black because I couldn't find it in white. Can I just plug it in? Not that thing. Nope. Nope. I was like, why is it only this many? And then it has 2 sticking out here. Oh, I don't know. Maybe because you clip that one in, and then you clip the other small one in right beside it. Ooh, I'm scared. Hopefully it turns on and I didn't break it. That would be very sad. And then you plug in the wall. And then I gotta hook up my monitor. I'm scared. Tap the 3rd and the 4th at the same time. No HDMI signal. So something's wrong. So it's my graphic card not looking properly. Oh! Whoa! That turned on colors! That LED thing was turning on. But I didn't get an HDMI signal, so I'm confused. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Of course I turn off the camera for I'm like, oh, I'm gonna test it without the camera on because it's gonna take up to 10 minutes. And then it works. It's on, it's giving me a message. But look how pretty it looks. Now to disconnect everything from the motherboard. Lovely. Oh, you're going in this case now, mister. You can find a nice home in here. You know, everyone's friendly, I swear. Good to go. Okay. I understand. Ow. My PC is just gonna have a random screw floating around in it for some reason. Well, okay, it's because I dropped it in here. Middle, right side, or bottom. Ah! Did the screw just fall out from somewhere, or is it just magically a screw falling? Someone who actually makes, okay, keep going another, actually makes PCs is gonna see this and be like, what is the cable management atrocity happening here? And guess what they're gonna find out? There isn't any. Oh my god, don't look at it. Don't look at that mess. This wire is gonna be so short. Is it longer than this? It better be, because my standing desk is not gonna be very standing. If that's how long that cable is. Okay, let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Maybe if I hit the power button on the back first, that would be smart. That is a very bad sound, right? Why is it making that sound? Okay, so there's a couple of wires that were touching some of the fans, but I seem to have moved them. And it's on, and it's functioning, and that's on, and oh my god, I'm built a PC! That's crazy! How does one remember what they did at the beginning? I am so lucky. I found this USB drive that is a converter for an SD card, so I can use my SD card. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna download this. It was working, but now it won't connect to the Wi-Fi. Whoa, so fun. There's this stupid antenna thing. It's supposed to connect it to the Wi-Fi. It's not working. So I don't know what to do. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to someone out there who's maybe thinking about getting a PC and doesn't know whether to build it or to pre-buy it, and see that, I don't know, I knew absolutely nothing about computers, but by watching a lot of YouTube I was able to figure it out, and now I have a computer that I really love and I'm really happy about my choice. Bye. Sterling, what do you think about the computer? How about you, Boomer?